Guys, happy Mother's Day to all the mothers. Today we are going to the Gurdwara to go say happy Mother's Day and like cherish our mom, and then we might do something else later, but I'll tag you guys along. Happy Mother's Day. So my brother and I are making a cake. Well, technically I'm helping. He's the one who made the cake, but it's this pomegranate. He overbaked it, but that's okay. It's a pomegranate and honey cake. We are so excited. Hey guys, so my dad came to help. We're gonna put in the whipped cream one and we're gonna put it on here, and then we're gonna assemble it with some pomegranates. But yeah. Okay, so this is the final product. This is the pomegranate and honey cake. Yeah, my brother made it. I helped decorate it, but it looks great. Happy Mother's Day. Hey guys. Okay, so today I'm gonna go hang out with my friend today. I am just walking to her. I'm trying to get my steps in. We live pretty close to each other. But yeah, so you guys get to spend the day with us. Beautiful it is today. I'm like almost there, but it is like so beautiful today. Love it. Hey guys, okay, so we're reunited with one of my best friends.
Hi.
We are gonna go to the beach. We're gonna grab some food, and then yeah, we're just gonna hang out. If anything else happens, we'll let you know, but that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. Yeah, so come along for the ride. Hey guys, so we made it to 7-Eleven, which is right behind me. We are pumping her gas. It's gonna be so much fun. We're gonna head down to the beach, which is like down that way. Hold on, I'll show you guys. That way, I know, but like I'm showing them. That way. Hey guys, we made it to the beach. It is so beautiful. We are sitting, we have our snacks. But yeah, we're just gonna chill here.